What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ali Shassaman and this is my YouTube channel. Today we have a special guest. What's your name?
Iman.
Iman, and he is my nephew. So for today's video, we got the Mavic Mini do-it-yourself kit, creative kit. And this costs roughly about $15. So let's take a deeper dive of what's inside the box. All right, everybody, this is the Mavic Mini do-it-yourself creative kit. Let's take a deeper dive. What's in? Please be responsible when you're using sharp tools. What's this? This is just like a... Oh, we don't need that. This is like on where to put it.
Oh.
Maybe the manual.
Oh, cool.
This is installation auxiliary kits. I think this is the cleaning wipes.
Wait.
Cleaning wipes. Wet and dry. It comes about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And I believe these are the markers. Let's see what colors we get. We got orange. This looks to be red. Green. Blue. And yellow. And this, I believe, is the base. I believe it comes with one already. It's pretty neat. I like this one a lot. And then just 1, 2 plain ones where you could color it yourself. And then I believe 3 of just like the regular ones. You can see the outline right here from the propellers, the back. All right, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one seems to be really cool. So let's see how it looks on my Mavic Mini once I install it. So I did go with the one that was already created. It's pretty sick. Got the Mavic and then the Mini. Looks pretty good. And I did reach out to DJI to see if I did put this on to see if it goes over the 249 grams, and they said it doesn't, so which is pretty awesome. And I can still fly it without being under the FAA regulations. Pretty cool. Awesome. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video.